Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I thought I'd do a little bit of a collective haul of a few things that I picked up in Poundland recently. So I have a good mix of both home and beauty stuff. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, I'm going to start with the couple of homeware bits that I picked up. So the first few things are these Cliplock containers. So these are the circular ones and they are 1.4 litres. And I'd seen these last year with the blue running through them. And this was when I was organising my kitchen cupboards and stuff, and then when I went back for them they just totally ran out of them and never had them back in stock. But now they've brought all of this Cliplock range back in this red colour, so I was really pleased to pick up a couple of these because I want to use them in the kitchen cupboards to store sort of rice and pasta and things like that. So maybe when I do a clean with me video again, which will be soon, I'll share with you how these look in the cupboards. They do fit perfectly up the top and they're not too long either. I find the longer ones just don't fit neatly into the cupboard, so I'm excited to use them. Then the other homeware bit that I picked up was these marble placemats. So you get two in here, and they also do the coasters in the marble. There's mugs, plates, and also cutlery. So if you see these, snap them up while you can. But it's funny actually that they have come out with these, because I did do a few years back a DIY marble home decor video, which I'll link down below, and I actually shared with you how to cover two of the coasters which I got from Poundland in the marble contact paper or sticky back plastic, and I also painted the rim copper. So it is a bit funny how they have these now in. So if you see the coasters or these, definitely snap them up because I think they have been going quick. The other homeware thing I got were these two baskets, again for organising. I actually have the brand, the more expensive brand of these, and you know what, I can't think of the name, but I'll pop it down below. And then just recently I noticed Poundland had been bringing out sort of exact dupes of these. So here you get two of these small storage baskets for £1, which is brilliant, because the other ones were a little bit more expensive. They're still really affordable, but these are really great and just handy to have to put in drawers and things. So I think I'm going to use these in the kitchen cupboards again, and maybe one sort of in my makeup vanity. So again, I'll share with you when I use these around the house where I actually do decide to put them. I also picked up one of these Flash Magic erasers. Now Poundland do their own, and I think you get 4 in a pack or 2, I can't remember, I think it's 2 actually. But I do like these flash ones. These are brilliant. I actually cut them all up and use them around the house. They're so useful for just cleaning random things. I'll actually link a video, I think it's Vasa Beauty, and she shows you loads of tips of how you can use these, and that's how I knew how to cut these all up, and you just get so much more for your money if you cut them up, although they're only £1. And I actually use them to clean Ben and I's trainers, you know, along the rim. It just gets them really nice and clean quickly. So I'll pop that video down below, but these are just super great to have in your cleaning kit. So the last homeware related product I got was actually this heart garland from the Valentine's section. If you'd seen my Valentine's come shop with me, then you probably saw these, but I just thought these were really cute to sort of have along the bed or something, and then obviously they'll save for years to come as well. So I'm excited to put them up for Valentine's Day, and also actually the day I'm filming this today is Shrove Tuesday, so let me know know if you're making pancakes today and what you're having on your pancakes. I think Ben and I will probably do lemon and sugar. Then we usually do agave syrup, which is a bit like golden syrup but a bit more healthier. And also I need to get some Nutella as well so we can have some chocolate ones. The last Valentine's Day related product I picked up were these love hearts. These look really great in photos, and of course they're really nice to eat as well. Finally, I have a few beauty products that I picked up. So the first thing I have is this 3-in-1 Self Tan Applicator Mit. Now, if you'd seen my decluttering skincare video, then you'll know that I actually threw out a velour mitt just like this that I got in Home Bargains. It kind of had its day. It'd been in the wash so many times that it was ready to be thrown out, and I did say I was going to repurchase it because I thought the one in Home Bargains was such a great price. I think it was like £1.50 or something. But then I saw this one in Poundland, so I was really thrilled to actually find one even cheaper. And I'll just show you what it looks like inside. So you actually still get the glove in the Home Bargains one you did as well. Or you get two here. You only actually got one glove, I think, in the Home Bargains one. And then you have the lovely velvet mitt. And I think you can also use this side as well. But I love this kind of mitt for applying fake tan because it just applies it really flawlessly. I also grabbed some oval cotton wool pads. Now, if you have seen any of my skincare videos, then you'll know that I really love the Muji Cotton squares. They're really great value for money for how much you get in the pack. And I love these for taking eye makeup off, but sometimes I just need something a little bit bigger for taking my face makeup off when I'm using a micellar water. So I thought I would grab a pack of these. There's actually 80 in here. I also grabbed this. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this in Poundland. This was actually £2, and this is the Colgate Max White Expert Whitening Pen. Now, if you haven't already seen my first impression on this, I did a first impression, I want to say about 2.5 years ago on this, so I'll link it down below. But these, I think, in Superdrug in Boots are like £12, so I was really excited to find this for £2. And they also do a sensitive one as well in Poundland. I also found these deep moisturizing foot packs, and these are the Argan oil ones. Now, when I was in New York, I actually grabbed a couple of these similar in Sephora. They were Sephora's own brand, and I absolutely love them, but I'd never seen any here in the UK. And again, I just couldn't believe my eyes when I saw these in Poundland, so I thought I would give them a go. I also noticed as well that Superdrug could do them, and I have already tried a pack from Superdrug. They were actually even cheaper. They were on offer, I want to say for 79p just for the one treatment pack. So I'll let you know in a product empties how I got on with that one, and also this one when I use it. But they're just a great feet treat if you are going out at night or you just want to pamper yourself. The last few things I have are a couple of makeup bits. Now, I was thinking that I'm going to do a Poundland full face of first impressions. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you want to see, and I will pick up all of the products for the face. But if not, I'll probably just test out these couple of bits on their own over on the blog, so keep a lookout for that as well. But what I did pick up was this mascara. This is the Never Ending Story Lengthening Mascara in Carbon Black. And then I have this eyebrow kit. This doesn't have a shade name. I think there's only one shade quad, and this is called All About the Brow, and it's got 3 brow powders and also a highlighting shade. So guys, that concludes my Poundland haul. If you do like this kind of video, then definitely give it a thumbs up so I know to do more like this. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration. And if you did miss my last video, you can go ahead and click on the picture link in the middle and that will take you to that video. Have a wonderful rest of the week guys, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care, bye.